Highest paying jobs at Yum Brands, top Yum Brand salaries 2023, research summary using public government and company data along with information from thousands of jobs positions. Our Zapier data experts have identified a variety of high earning positions and their average annual salaries. Using that data set, our data scientists have produced salary estimates for many of the jobs at Yum Brands. Here is a quick overview of our findings for the highest paying jobs at Yum Brands. Senior Director is the highest paying job at Yum Brands with an average salary of 1,67,525 and an average hourly rate of 80.5 per dollar. The second highest paying job at Yum Brands is development director with an average salary of 1,21,136. The average annual salary at Yum Brands is $48,128 per year and the average hourly pay is $23.14. Background: sometimes people know which company that want to work for before they know exactly that job they want to do. If you did like to work for Yum Brands, it helps to have an idea of the highest paid positions that the company offers. That way you can see if it's worth applying. So how much do Yum Brands employees make? As with any company, Yum Brands employees salaries can depending on their role, level of experience and geographic location, but there are a few standout jobs that tend to pay more than the rest. On average, here are some of the job salaries at Yum Brands. Methodology: Zapier uses published information from government sources such as the Bureau of Labor, Foreign Labor Certification Data Center, and the Office of Personnel Management to create its salary estimates. Our data science team also checks job position and many and company published resources for additional up-to-date salary information. Once they have gathered the data, the team calculates a, a weighted average of for each job title they are estimating a salary for more details on our salary estimate you can see a detailed methodology. Highest paying jobs at Yum Brands. FAQs: what is the highest paid job at Yum Brands? The highest paid job at Yum Brands is a senior director. These professionals earn an average salary of which works out to about. What is a good salary at Yum Brands? A good salary at Yum Brands is a salary above $48,128 per year. $48,128 is the average salary at Yum Brands. So if you are earning more than that, you are typically doing well. Of course, $48,128 may list be far too low for some positions, so pay close attention to what the going average is for someone in your role with your skill set and experience level. If you find that you are being paid less, consider asking for a raise or finding out what you need to do to move into the next pay bracket. Your salary may vary by location as well as Yum Brands, like many other companies, often adjust its pay scales to account for difference in the cost of living in different states. For example, the average salary of a Yum Brands employee in California will likely be much higher than their counterpart in the Midwest. Check the average salary of Yum Brands employee in your area to see how your paycheck measures up. Do job at Yum Brands pay well? No, jobs at Yum Brands don't pay well. The average starting salary at Yum Brands is $23,000 a year for a year or 11.06 per hour. The overall average salary at Yum Brands is 48,128 per dollar year, which is 1.1 times the average national salary of about $44,225 per year. CKE Results Holdings, one of Yum Brand's top competitors, pay its employees an average salary of $55,377 per year or 26.62 per